Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm going to tell you today that how to become a cabin crew. The most common question is how to become a cabin crew. So, becoming a cabin crew, you have to follow the few things. For cabin crew, you don't need a certificate from any aviation uh, training center. Yes, of course, if you are taking training from some other institute, it's always good for you. But yes, the criteria is basically 12 pass. Sometimes they ask for graduation. For more information, please contact.